ever slip on a pair of shoes and wonder how they even do this.
Right.
Today, we're
Yeah.
diving deep into the world of footwear production machine operators.
Yeah.
The folks behind those stylish kicks we love.
Absolutely.
We've got a stack of insights from RoleCatcher, their career experts kind of guiding us through this.
And trust me, this isn't your grandma's old shoemaking.
Okay.
We're talking cutting-edge machinery.
Real.
Skills that blend like artistry and tech.
Okay, so break this down for me.
Yeah.
If I walked onto a modern footwear factory floor,
Okay.
what would I see a footwear production machine operator doing? Like, what's their day-to-day?
Okay, so picture this. You walk in.
Oh.
Massive machines. Some are cutting leather with lasers.
Oh.
Others are stitching uppers faster than you can blink.
Wow.
Some are even attaching soles with perfect pressure.
Oh, wow.
Our operator
Yeah.
is like the maestro of these machines,
Okay.
making sure everything's running smoothly.
So more than just pushing buttons.
Way more. RoleCatcher calls them the backbone of production for a reason.
Okay.
They're troubleshooting,
Yeah.
fine-tuning settings.
Yeah.
First line of defense for quality control.
Oh, wow.
Part mechanic,
Okay.
part engineer,
Uh-huh.
part artist even.
Oh, that's so fascinating.
Yeah,
It sounds like you need a real eye for detail, though,
absolutely.
especially with shoe designs getting so intricate these days.
Speaking of details,
Okay.
let's get specific.
Yeah.
Some operators specialize in glicking machines, cutting leather pieces.
Okay.
Others, lasting machines, shaping the shoe's upper.
Mm-hmm.
And let's not forget outsole stitching experts. They're like surgeons.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So there's room to specialize,
Exactly.
carve out a niche within this field.
As you gain experience, you
Yes.
move up the ranks.
Okay.
RoleCatcher outlines a clear progression,
Uh-huh.
starting entry-level, assisting,
Okay.
then junior operator roles, more hands-on,
Yeah.
all the way to leading a team,
Wow.
maybe even collaborating on new designs.
Oh, wow. So there's a career ladder here,
Absolutely.
not just a single job title.
Yeah.
But what about the actual day-to-day environment?
Okay.
Is it as chaotic and loud as those old factory scenes we see in the movies?
Well, it's a factory, so
Okay.
expect hustle and bustle.
Yeah.
RoleCatcher's up front about that.
Okay.
You've got the whirring of machines,
Yeah.
that hiss of pneumatics.
Okay.
Safety gear is a must.
Makes sense. Safety first.
Always.
What about the less obvious stuff?
Okay.
RoleCatcher mentioned potential exposure to chemicals.
Right.
That sounds a bit concerning.
It's something to be aware of for sure.
Yeah.
Footwear production involves adhesives, treatments, finishes.
Right.
Some can have fumes.
Yeah.
That's why ventilation and proper handling is crucial.
Right.
We could do a whole deep dive on workplace safety alone.
Now that you mention it,
Mhm.
I would be interested to learn more about those measures another time.
Yeah, for sure.
But for now, back to our footwear production machine operators.
Yeah.
What are some of the pros and cons
Okay.
someone considering this career should know?
RoleCatcher paints a clear picture.
Okay.
On the upside, demand for skilled operators is strong,
Well, good.
projected to remain stable,
That's good.
which is good for job security, of course.
Absolutely.
Plus, there's something satisfying about working with your hands,
Yeah.
seeing a product come to life.
Right. Like you made that.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
It is.
There's a certain magic in turning raw materials into something people wear every day.
Right. And don't forget the tech.
Oh, yeah.
This isn't just manual labor.
Yeah.
These machines are evolving,
Okay.
which keeps the work interesting.
So you're not just doing the same thing every single day.
Exactly.
That's good. It keeps you on your toes.
Keep learning.
It's like being part of a constant evolution of like craftsmanship and tech.
Yeah.
But let's be real for a second.
Okay.
No job is perfect.
Right.
RoleCatcher doesn't shy away from the downsides.
Yeah, they're upfront about it.
What are some of the challenges then?
Right. So they're upfront about the physical demands.
Okay.
You're on your feet a lot.
Okay.
There's lifting involved.
Yeah.
Some tasks can get repetitive,
Right. Especially in larger factories, probably.
especially in larger factories, yeah.
All right.
Plus, while the machines are amazing,
Yeah.
things can go wrong.
Oh, yeah.
You need to be able to problem solve.
So you need a cool head
Absolutely.
and steady hands.
Yeah. It's not just about technical skills, it's about temperament.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. And let's
Yeah.
not sugarcoat it.
Yeah.
Working with machinery has inherent risks,
Right.
even with the best safety protocols.
Of course.
RoleCatcher's stresses following procedures,
Right.
staying vigilant, and advocating for your own well-being on the job.
Absolutely. Safety should never be an afterthought.
Never an afterthought.
We've talked about the job itself.
Right.
But what about actually landing the role?
Okay.
What does the interview process look like for an aspiring footwear production machine operator?
RoleCatcher is like your interview wingman here.
Okay.
They have a whole section dedicated to prepping
Okay.
with sample questions, insider tips.
Nice.
You'll want to talk about your experience with different machines,
Okay.
specializations you have,
Uh-huh.
how you handle troubleshooting under pressure.
So they're not just looking for someone to run the machines.
No.
They want someone who can think on their feet, problem solve.
Exactly. They
Right.
want to know you can handle responsibility,
Okay.
work independently,
Uh-huh.
but also collaborate effectively.
Right, because it's a team.
It's a team.
It's like a well-choreographed dance, but with industrial machinery.
Exactly.
Here's where I think things get really interesting.
Okay.
RoleCatcher isn't just about traditional career advice.
Right?
They're bringing AI to the table.
They are.
What's the deal with this Copilot AI they keep mentioning?
Okay, so get this. Imagine having an AI analyze job descriptions,
Okay.
pinpoint the exact skills employers want,
Yeah.
and then help you tailor your resume to highlight those strengths.
That's next level.
That's Copilot AI.
It's like having a personal brand manager for your career,
Right.
but powered by algorithms.
Yeah.
What else can it do?
It goes deeper.
Okay.
It analyzes your skills and experience
Uh-huh.
and suggests courses or certifications that could boost your profile.
Oh, wow.
Make you even more competitive.
It's like having a career counselor in your pocket.
Exactly.
That's a game changer for job seekers,
Absolutely.
especially in a field like this where tech is always evolving.
Yeah. You need to stay ahead of the curve.
It makes you wonder, though,
Yeah.
if AI can do all this,
Right.
is it going to replace footwear production machine operators?
Yeah.
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are we all destined to be replaced by robots?
It's a hot topic for sure.
Yeah,
No crystal ball for these things.
right.
But RoleCatcher emphasizes that the nature of work is always shifting,
Okay.
especially with technology.
Right, like we've seen with everything else.
Exactly.
So instead of fearing automation, it's about embracing how it complements our skills.
Right.
Like, AI might be able to operate a machine,
Yeah.
but can it spot a flaw in a premium leather hide?
Right.
Can it understand how stitching impacts shoe comfort?
Those are uniquely human skills.
Yeah.
And RoleCatcher actually highlights that
Okay.
craftsmanship and problem solving
Mm-hmm.
becoming even more valuable as automation takes over those routine tasks.
It's like you're leveling up to stay ahead of the curve.
Exactly.
Instead of being a machine operator, you're this hybrid problem solver innovator.
Oh, absolutely.
Maybe even a bit of an artist.
And the footwear industry.
Yeah.
It's not just about churning out mass-produced shoes.
Right.
There's a growing demand for customization.
Oh, yeah.
Bespoke footwear.
Like those hand-stitched Italian leather shoes.
Right. Repairs on high-end shoes.
Yeah, where you need that human touch.
Exactly. Human expertise will always be in demand.
So it's like the difference between a factory-made dress
Yes.
and a handmade couture gown.
That's a great way to put it.
Both require skill,
Mhm.
but that human touch is irreplaceable.
All right.
It adds something special.
For anyone listening who's fascinated by footwear,
Yeah.
who loves working with their hands and minds,
Yeah,
this could be a really rewarding path.
absolutely.
Just remember, the industry's always evolving.
Stay curious.
Stay curious.
Embrace lifelong learning.
Exactly.
And who knows, maybe you'll be designing those self-lacing sneakers we all dream of.
There you go.
On that note of innovative footwear and career paths that defy automation.
Right.
We've reached the end of our deep dive into the world of footwear production machine operators.
We've covered a lot,
We did.
from factory floor to the future of work.
Absolutely.
Hopefully you've walked away with a better understanding of this field.
And if you're looking for more career insights, tips, or even want to check out what AI can do for your job search,
Yeah,
definitely check out RoleCatcher.
they're great.
They're doing some fascinating things.
Really are.
Until next time, keep those minds curious and those shoes stylish.